So I just got my bike washed. It was nasty and looking dirty, and I'm a bit OCD and couldn't take it anymore. It was so dirty anyway before I brought it in. Even my friends know what an OCD I am when it comes up to having a clean bike. And that brings me to the topic for today. How picky are you with keeping your motorcycles clean? And how often do you wash them? For me, I try to protect the paint, and that is the reason I wash it I would say every once in 2 to 3 weeks. But if my bike gets dirty, like I'm going again on a long ride this coming Saturday, so I know the next week again I have to wash it. But yeah, I would say on an average once in 2 to 3 weeks if it's not dirty. But since the weather is changing and I know that the bike is going to be more and more dirty, you know, with the leaves, sometimes it's raining and whatnot, I know I can't do much, and the only option I have is to keep washing it to get the bike looking nice. But yeah, what about you? I know some of you are washing. Someone wrote me actually recently that they're washing their bike every other day because they're riding that much. I don't think I can do that, not at least this year. But I've never washed my bike every other day. I use different products to, you know, sort of that are like repel the bug and, you know, any dirt that's on it. So that kind of keeps the bike clean as well for as long as I can. But yeah, apart from that, I don't. Beautiful day to ride. It just got sunny. It was raining all morning. That's one of the things I hate about this fall weather, is that it's just raining. It finally got a little bit better now, but again it's very windy. We were expecting winds to be at about, like, I think 30 or 40 kilometers per hour. And that I would say is about how many miles? 30 miles? And they said it could hit up to 70 kilometers per hour, which is about like 50 miles. So the plan for this Saturday is I'm going on an 800 kilometers ride again. We are going with 6 bikers, all 6 different bikes. I think Ducati, Triumph, Indian, and yeah, that's about it. I think so. Quite a few different bikes, and we are all heading to Algonquin Provincial Park and riding around that area. So that's Highway 60, which I have been before. So we want to go and check out the beautiful fall colors, you know. And that's what I've been planning about. So it's been in our mind, but this will probably be our longest ride before the season ends. I think after this it will probably be hour, 2 hours, 4-hour ride, because the weather gets really cold, and the more up north you go, the more, you know, crazy it gets to ride. So it's a beautiful day on Saturday. Looks like we'll probably get about 20 to 24 degrees centigrade of weather, and you know, that's the great thing about it. So we should hopefully all have a lot of fun and enjoy the weather. But yeah, that's about it, I guess. Let me know what your plans are for the long weekend. Well, in Canada it's a long weekend. It's a Thanksgiving long weekend this coming weekend. I know for friends down south, it's not the long weekend now. American Thanksgiving is, I think, sometime in November, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, let me know what your plans are for this weekend. Are you riding? How's the weather down there? And anyway, folks, thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos, and hit the notification icon as well. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.